All right, so I'm a male that actually uses this product, and I'm very excited that I actually did try it. As you can see, I started getting wrinkles when I was a smoker, and my wife bought this maybe as a joke, maybe as not. She was hoping that I would use it, which I did start using it. I'm not going to show off all the products, just the main ones that I use in the mornings. I have this one right here, which is the face wash that you use dry, and then this one that I use right after every morning, and it feels amazing, and I feel like everything about my face just feels hydrated, and throughout the day too, my face feels soft. I'm actually just disappointed in myself that I didn't start taking care of my skin sooner. So I'm very, very impressed with this, and I know that there's probably not a lot of men that would buy this or use it, but I'm here to say that I am a man and I definitely recommend it. I know a lot of people laugh when I tell them that I've been using this, or when my wife tells someone that she got this from me, they kind of laugh about it. But, you know, it works, and I'm happy. So, give it a try.